Hey y'all, welcome to What's Cooking with Paula Deen today. I am back here with Naomi Whittel, and I got something good cooking today, y'all, because I've got my friend Naomi Whittel's here with us, and she is going to help us through this journey of learning about how to find the good fats and eat them. You know, like I've been telling y'all for years, eat that butter. That's a gift from God, that butter. It's natural, a gift from God. Eat it.
I love it.
And I've been made fun of a lot for that. I've been highly criticized for that. But I was right.
You were so right. Paula,
that feels so good to say I was right, y'all.
You're so right. And all of the science right now is proving how right you are. And when you told me about the way that you incorporate the right fats, the good fats that were in your fields, that were around you, and the importance of that for all of our good health, I was like, my gosh, Paula and the world's top PhDs who are doing the research on what makes us healthy, young, energized, and vibrant, they're right in line. And that's what it's about.
Isn't that crazy, y'all? That is crazy. So what I've got to do, like I've lost like 40 pounds, and in order to lose that 40 pounds, y'all, I'm not an educated person, but I knew that I had to go in my kitchen and get every white food in my kitchen out.
And that's the best thing.
The only white food I kept, y'all, was cauliflower. And I love cauliflower.
And what could be better? What could be better? So
yes.
I couldn't recommend something that is more intelligent and more aligned with what can really transform our health. So this idea of cutting calories, cutting fat, that's not the right thought process. What you did by removing everything that's white, other than cauliflower, which is so beneficial to our health, and it's so effective.
You can eat a whole head and it's like 50 calories.
And it activates the youth that we were talking about deep within your cells. It's one of those important vegetables that does it.
That's great to hear. That is great to hear. After I lost my 40 pounds, then I brought back in, you know, what we normally eat. But I try to eat in moderation now. You know, not so much. But I'm so thrilled because Naomi is teaching me what the bad fats are versus the good fats. Like avocado, it's full of good fat. And I adore avocado.
Oh my goodness. Yesterday when we were in your kitchen, the first thing you did is you grabbed a big avocado and you cut that thing.
I tried to cut it and it wasn't ripe enough.
But avocado is a superfood, right?
Yes.
It's filled with so many energizing and satiating fats. And so in my book, Glow 15, it's about embracing all of the good foods, but knowing when to do it. So just like yesterday where you wanted to start with avocado, Glow 15 is about fat first. So you can have avocado with your breakfast and carbohydrates last at the end of the day when the carbs won't impact our blood sugar and they don't impact our insulin levels.
Naomi was just a guest on Dr. Oz. Naturally, Dr. Oz fell in love with Naomi and her book and her thought process. And I hope y'all maybe caught that section that she did on Dr. Oz. It's, you know, we Americans are consumed with losing weight and staying young. You know, women are going and getting cut up.
Yeah.
You know, and people at the gym and, you know, all these magic potions. And they only work for a little while. So my hopes is that I can train myself. Look, Naomi said I could have fried chicken, y'all, because I use peanut oil. And the only thing that I have to do is fry it naked. Not me naked, but the chicken. So I leave off the white part, which is the flour.
Exactly.
I mean, I can season it and I can drop it skin and all in that deep fryer. And it's great.
And
It's
you're
great.
getting all, like, the skin is the most important part, right? Because we live in a society where we think skinless and boneless is the way to do it. But if you look at the rest of the world, throughout Asia, throughout Europe, bone broth and getting that marrow and all of those nutrients is what really feeds us and provides us with the minerals we need and that good fat.
We got to take another break, Naomi. Okay. I could just talk to you all day long. We'll be back in a second.
So great.
The space that you live in really affects the way you feel. So my first recommendation is start by updating your window treatments with Smith & Noble. Smith & Noble's beautiful handcrafted blinds, drapes, shades, and shutters are custom made just for you, and they offer different service options to fit your needs. To get started today, contact Smith & Noble to get my special limited time offer, 25% off on your window treatments, plus free design consultation. Create a space that you're gonna love. For details about my special offer, go to smithandnoble.com/Paula. That's smithandnoble.com/Paula, or call 1-800-659-3300. That's 1-800-659-3300.
So, Naomi, we're back with What's Cooking with Paula Deen. And I'm so glad to say that Naomi is what we're cooking up today, and she is great. I hope y'all have enjoyed getting to know Naomi. I highly recommend this book, Glow 15, because it explains so much. And I don't have a science mind, so I don't even know the right questions to ask you. But y'all check it out. So y'all come back for the next podcast. This girl is a wealth of information, and we're getting it for free.
The space that you live in really affects the way you feel. So my first recommendation is start by updating your window treatments with Smith & Noble. Smith & Noble's beautiful handcrafted blinds, drapes, shades, and shutters are custom made just for you, and they offer different service options to fit your needs. To get started today, contact Smith & Noble to get my special limited time offer, 25% off on your window treatments, plus free design consultation. Create a space that you're gonna love. For details about my special offer, go to smithandnoble.com/Paula. That's smithandnoble.com/Paula, or call 1-800-659-3300. That's 1-800-659-3300.